Hi, I'm Terry, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen, where we're cooking up a storm and serving up some serious flavor. Today, we're taking our taste buds on a journey to the land of cheesy goodness with our mouth-watering, cheesy, beefy burritos, smothered in rich cheese and chili sauce. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Okay, to begin with, we have 1.5 pounds of ground beef and 1 onion diced. You just want to cook this until it's brown. You want to break it up just like taco meat. Now that our beef is browned, I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of taco seasoning. This is some of our homemade stuff. And then we have a cup of salsa. You can have mild or hot, depending on your taste. This little jar holds a cup. Just stir it all together. Once this is all combined, then we're just going to set it aside, take it off the heat, and we'll start putting the burritos together. Now we need a 9 by 13 baking dish or pan, and you want to oil it, and you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to take our tacos, which I put in the microwave for just a couple of seconds to soften them. I'm going to add some refried beans. This is equivalent to 1 can of refried beans. These are some of the ones that we made ourselves. And we want some of our taco meat. And now we just want to shape it into a burrito. And put it in our pan. And go ahead and keep going until the pan is full. We've got 11 in this casserole. With the larger tortillas, we could probably get just 8. Now we're going to put together the cheesy sauce to go on top. We have 2 cups of taco cheese, and I'm going to just put it in something that's microwavable, and a large cup measure like this makes it easier to pour as well. We also have 3/4 cup of half and half, and 1/4 cup of water. Now we're just going to microwave it in 1-minute increments until it's nice and creamy. Okay, once it's all melted and creamy, we're going to add 1 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies. Stir it well. Now we're going to pour it over our burritos. We want to try and cover them all as much as possible. Just going to spread it out a little bit, try and make sure all the tortillas are covered. Now it's all set to put in the oven that you've preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to leave it for 20 to 30 minutes until it's nice and hot and bubbly. If you want to, you can add a little bit of shredded cheese or a drizzle of salsa on top before you put it in the oven. I think we've got plenty of cheese though, so we'll put it in the oven now, and we'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. Now it's fresh out of the oven, nice and hot, bubbly, just a tiny bit brown on the top. Just to dress it up a little bit, put a little bit of shredded lettuce. You can put this on the entire casserole if you want, or just put it on the table so that people can dress their own. A little bit of Pico de Gallo, a little bit of sour cream, and we're all set. Now you notice in this video we used 3 items that we've made in some of our videos previously: the Pico de Gallo, the taco seasoning, and the refried beans. And links to all 3 of those things are going to be below the recipe so that you can look them up and make your own. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. If you do, we'd love to see photos of your outcome as well as hear how you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. As always, the recipe will be just below the like button as well as a link so that you can print it out. Until next time, have fun in the kitchen.